Hey guys, Stephen here from Little Robot. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can bulk upload, bulk create a lot of content for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you're putting content really. This is text-based content as well, by the way. So we're not creating videos, we're not doing any of that. This is just text-based content. So great if you're, running an accountancy and want to give accountancy tips, things like that. This is super great for. So what you will need is ChatGPT, Google Sheet and Canva. Really simple. So let's get into it. I'm going to put myself down here in the corner. Don't worry, I'm still here. And we're going to begin. So I've already got ChatGPT open. I have got the Pro model, but we don't need to use 4 for this. It's all good. So what I want it to say is you are expert, and the reason why I'm saying you're an expert copywriter is because we want to tell it what it is. So for example, if I was going to say if I wanted some finance data, for example, I would probably write you're a finance expert or a finance analyst, and it will produce a better output. So produce 10 motivational quotes. Let's do motivational quotes. Why not? Motivational quotes with the in a table that I can copy to Google Sheets. You don't really need to do this last bit, you can just produce it, but for me, I'm all about time saving, and this will produce it in a table, which means that I can easily copy and paste it. Otherwise, it will produce it as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's just a little bit messy. So now what I can do is I can literally just copy and paste this into a spreadsheet, and there we go. So we've got the quote and the author. Okay, so we could remove the quotation marks. And to be honest, next time I probably would say remove quotation marks, but for now, for this purposes, we don't need to do that. I'm just showing you what to do. So now you've got them in a Google Sheet. Lovely here. And now let's go into Canva. So if you're not familiar with Canva, I'd be very surprised, but if you're not familiar with Canva, it's effectively a graphic design tool that has exploded in the last, 5 years, maybe, probably longer, and allows you as a user to create content extremely easy. Gone are the days where you have to learn Photoshop and all that jazz. Most graphic designers I know now are using Canva rather than using Photoshop, which is just incredible. So I want to do a motivational post, Instagram post. Motivational quotes. Let's have a look at these. Category, social media, Instagram post. There we go. So let's do this one. That's nice, isn't it? That's lovely. That's lovely, that. So what we want to do is then go down to apps, and we want to go to bulk create, and you can enter this manually if you wanted to, but we may as well do CSV file. So first and foremost, go back to Sheets, export this. Where am I looking? You know when you need to find it and you can't find it? Actually, let's just name it first. Motivational quotes. Why did I do that? All right, file. Download. There it is. CSV file. I don't know why I thought it said export. I'm going crazy today, guys. Sorry about that. So back into Canva. Upload CSV. You'll see it there. And there you go, look, quotes, 2 data fields, perfect. So let's put this as connect data as the quote, and then let's make this the author. Okay, and I'm going to put this down a little bit just because I'm going to get rid of this because we just don't need that. Center that, continue, boom, 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 create 10 pages. And there we go. So you have 10 social media posts here that you can now plug into something like FeedHive or another scheduling tool. I've spoken about FeedHive before just because I use FeedHive. Don't look more into it than it is. But within 5 minutes, I've done that in real time. You have created 10 social media posts. Now, what I personally would do is I would have maybe 4 or 5 different, or maybe Instagram, so 3 different template options here, because then it looks nice on a feed, and have each one churning out for different ones, and then you put it into the scheduling in that sort of order. So as like template 1, template 2, template 3, template 1, template 2, template 3, and then the feed would look really nice as well. So nice little tip for you. But obviously you could use this for so many other things, you know, like you can have multiple data points in one image. So the possibilities really are endless. I just wanted to show you a really simple way to maximize your output and utilize these tools that we have readily available to us now, and enable you guys to just create more, do it in a much better way. And like, come on, this is fantastic, right? What a world we live in right now. But thank you for watching. Really quick video there. Hope that helps. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know. Please do subscribe. This is a very, I hope I watch these videos back in a year or 2 time and I'm like, oh wow, I had 4 subscribers, which I'm currently on. And you know, I'm still churning out these sort of videos. I enjoy these. They're really quick for me to make and they're informative. And I know this is the sort of information that I learn. This is how I like to learn. So hopefully you guys appreciate that and are on that same page. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't give me a like, give me a comment, all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching.